Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Perplexity for research to notes automation easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Perplexity. Hit the enter key to navigate to the website. Look for the login button on the home page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to a login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Type in your password in the password field. If you haven't registered yet, look for the sign up option instead. Complete the sign up process if required. After entering your credentials, click the sign in button. Wait for a moment while the system processes your login. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Perplexity dashboard. Explore the features available for research to notes automation. Begin using the platform to enhance your research process. If you encounter any issues, check for error messages on the screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to resolve any login problems. If necessary, use the Forgot Password link for password recovery. Once successfully logged in, familiarize yourself with the user interface. You are now ready to use Perplexity for your research needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.